Should you buy Topdon CARPAL or Topdon Topscan? Now these are scanners for Topdon professional OBD2 scanner company. Both will give you some professional functionality like full module scan, so you don't work only with engine like with cheap ELM adapters or code readers. You can scan all control modules. Both of them can do this nice diagnostic report. So after you scan all modules, you can generate full report and then send it to email or even print it. Both can do service procedures like resetting DPF filter, matching new throttle after changing throttle body, battery registration, opening and closing electronic brake calipers. So you can also use both of them when you are performing service tasks on modern vehicles. However, there are some differences. Even though they are pretty much same price, I think the better choice is Topdon Topscan. Now for this review I am comparing Topscan Lite. Topscan has two versions, Topscan Lite and Topscan Pro. First let me compare Topscan Lite versus CARPAL, and then I will talk about if you should buy Topscan Lite or Pro. Okay, so why do I think Topscan is better? After first year of using, if you want to continue using them, you will have to pay for update, which is $29 for CARPAL and $49 for Topscan Lite. And now let me tell you what extra $20 a year will get you with Topscan Lite. First, Topscan is bidirectional, so it means you can go to every control module and test different electronic components. So you can turn on, with just your scanner, you can turn on different relays in engine cooling fan, maybe try cut fuel to do different engine tests, and then also in other modules you can control headlights, door locks, window opening. You can test basically every electrical component with just one click on your smartphone using Topscan. CARPAL is not bidirectional. Then if you want to scan multiple car brands, Topscan again will be better because you can just download software once and then you have it for all car brands, because CARPAL allows you to have only 3 brands downloaded at the same time. So if I have Toyota, Mercedes and BMW and then I want to scan Audi, I need to remove one software and then download Audi software, and the downloading time for car brand software can be long, like 10-15 minutes, and if you scan a lot of cars this will get really annoying. Another reason why Topscan is better is it can read live data in all control modules. So CARPAL reads data only in the engine control unit. It can scan all modules for faults, but for live data it can read only engine, while Topscan will read live data in all modules, which is important not only when you're solving problems in other systems like AC, tire pressure monitoring system, ABS, but it is also very helpful when you want to do used car inspection, because with full live data you are also able to find any mileage records and maybe find some proof about rolled back odometer. And since I'm already talking about used car inspection, both of them can generate diagnostic report, both looking very nice, but for the Topscan it also allowed me to take my own pictures and then include them in the report, which if you want to do used car checks, you sure will appreciate having feature like this. So I mean, it is just $20 more a year. For first year the price is almost the same, so just for $20 a year you will get a lot more functionality with Topdon Topscan. You can buy it in description, I will link it in Amazon, you can buy it now. And then if you want to know if you should choose Topscan Lite or Topscan Pro, go check out this next video.